my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making a cheese lasagna. This Italian dish is spectacular by its stacked layers of pasta and flavor-rich filling. Who doesn't want to indulge in a cheese lasagna every now and then? It's a cheese lover's paradise. So let's get started making this cheesy lasagna.
Let's get into the ingredients. 1 28-ounce jar of marinara sauce. I'm using Rao's. 1 32-ounce of ricotta cheese. 12 lasagna noodles. 2 tablespoons minced garlic. 1/3 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. 2.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons parsley. Preheat your oven to 375. On high heat, put 14 cups of water in a large pot. Add a pinch of salt and bring to a boil. Now add a boil, add in the noodles. Once noodles are softened, stir so all the noodles will be submerged. Cook noodles for about 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off heat. It's time to strain the noodles. To prevent noodles from sticking to each other, place them in a layer of paper towels 2 by 2. Now getting started on the ricotta cheese mixture. Add 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Add 2 tablespoons parsley. 1/3 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons minced garlic. Mix thoroughly. In a 13 by 9 baking dish, add some marinara sauce to the dish first so the noodles do not burn while baking. Add 4 lasagna noodles. Add ricotta cheese layer. Add mozzarella cheese layer. Continue this process till the 3 layers are complete. Add the last bit of marinara sauce. Topped with mozzarella cheese. A little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese. Cover with aluminum foil. Place in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes. Now up the temperature to 400. Take off the foil and bake for 20 minutes. It's looking so delicious. Let's plate this layer-loving lasagna.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Cheese lasagna is an Italian classic that brings much happiness. Give this dish a try and let me know in the comments below, or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And of course, until next time, I'll see you guys on my next video.